Hi, my name is Christina, and I just wanted to come on here and show you a Zap that I've created to really help me out, just be more efficient, and I can give myself some brain space, I guess you could say. And I was showing this to my friend Tamara, who works at the Marketing AI Institute, and she's like, wait, you're what? Show me this. And she was like, holy crap, I need to show Paul. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to show all of LinkedIn because I know times are crazy right now, so this might be able to help or inspire you to build something like this. I will say that I've had so much inspiration of so many different people from Zaps they've created with um, Open API, I mean Open AI. So take a look. So it all starts with a Google Sheet and a question. Actually starts with also asked. Sorry about that. Input it here, but I'm just going to show an example. So let's see. How can I establish trust on my e-commerce website? Now you have a dance party until you get that Slack message. Here it goes. So now I got a message in Slack because I created this app to say, hey, it's ready. Come on over here. And there it is. Obviously, you should add more to this, but this gives you a really good starting point. And then it goes over to HubSpot. Well, first, technically, it goes over to the Chat GPT to ask to write that piece of content in the form of a LinkedIn post and a form of a Twitter post, and then sends it automatically over to HubSpot. And then I get another ping saying, hey, social's ready to view. I know there are so many other things I can add to that. Like once it's done being edited, I can add it like final with the title and have it be then pushed to HubSpot as a blog post. Like there's so many things I could do that will help with automation, but hopefully this gets you started and motivated and inspired. If you want this specific Zap, let me know. We can chat. And I mean, I feel like I was going to hold this to myself, but because Zapier awarded me last year with the Marketing Ops Award of the Year, well, one of them, I figured I should pay it forward. So happy 2023 and let's go.